I'm very socialized person. I have many friends, and I have big families and all that things. So I whenever so many things, many functions and many things to be attend. So sometimes it happens. It is I'm so much tied up with so many commitments and all that things. But sometimes we have to see the priorities and all that things. So I believe if Narendra Modi ji is able to do, he has only 24 hours and he can do this much. Why I can't? I've started making the plan. I do the planning in advance, timetable. I make the time wise my planning. Then I manage. I organize everything. Like today itself. Today we had a recording, right? So I'm not be able to go to the office or the factory, but still the work will not stop. So accordingly, in advance we make the plan. What the next day's work will be and how it will be and what the result of that day. So I get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock and finish it up my work. And I love to do the yoga, gymming, and walk. Mainly I love the walk. I go to earlier I used to go to the zoo for walk and all the things, but now I'm in gym in my terrace garden. I'm doing the exercise. So I love to do the exercise and all the things. I also get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock, because whatever the commitment or everything I have to finish it up. I do it, very early in the morning. Usually I go at the office at the 8:30 a.m. in the morning, like that. So I believe making the plan, organizing the workload and everything, then you can achieve whatever you want to. I believe time is not the constraint. Ki we don't have a time, or we should not blame ki we don't have a time and they have the time. But yeah, we can, if we can manage time management is proper, you can balance each and everything in your life. So family and everything is friends, family, everything is important. Network is the network, and if you can meet with the like-minded people, or you can connect with your family members, you will get more inspired and to do all that things.
Hello, welcome to Shepreneur Stories series, an initiative by 46XX. Today, let's listen in to the story of a textile artist and fashion designer, Bhavini Parekh.